Hello, my brother.
Hello, my brother. How are we coping with this lockdown?
It's like you're excited. Seems you are not yet bored with this thing at home.
How could I be bold while I have a self-defense with me?
Really?
bfsuma cordyceps coffee is the best choice for those who are suffering with respiratory tract infection, cardiac, kidney problem, and so on. Even coronavirus, bfsuma provide pure unbroken that will boost human immune system, which is the key in fighting coronavirus.
Oh, I can't wait to grab my own to prevent myself and my family. bfsuma is a well-known herbal pharmaceutical company. Rush now and grab your reliable medicine and supplement. Contact us at our head office located in number C7 Khadija House, Zaria Road, Kano, or number 10 Ibrahim Tayo Road, number 4 second floor at Fatima Shopping Complex, Kabuga, Kano, and also a phone number 080 9682 2711.